ready to make moves. And they're taking forever.
I'm popping.
Oh, you popping?
Yeah, let me pop.
Oh, you popping. Let me see you, girl. Let me see. Let me see them glasses of yours. Ooh. Look at you. You popping. Oh, it's a little chilly. Ooh, girl.
It's not jet chili. You can't be popping without a fidget spinner.
What'd you say?
You can't be popping without a fidget spinner.
Look at her hips, look at her legs, and she stacked that. Showing mine, hitting that from the back. I like it when I touch her, cause she moan a little bit. Chain stand, so I can see her bone a little bit. I know you grown a little bit, 20 years old, you legal. Don't trip off my people, just hop in the Regal. I swoop on her like an eagle, swoop down on the spray. I know you popular, but you gon' be famous today. I say, I like the way you do that right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Lick your lips when you're talking, that make me stir, make me stir. Yeah, got all these hoes in my DM. Yeah, I do. Hold up. Holy shit, I got a kid. Oh, I can sing so well. But we got no choice but to turn this thing sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body.
Well, we came to the beach. I thought it was gonna be cold, to be honest. Haha.
It's not. It's actually kind of warm.
It's warm?
It's kind of. Okay. It's kind of at the hot side and the warm side.
Yeah. I don't think it's hot. I just think it's like, it's good enough.
Yeah, it's
you
not
know,
cold.
it's like it's not. I'm trying to see. Give me a hand. Why not? I could take a picture of you though.
No, not a.
Why not?
Because I'm ugly. What do you mean?
You're not
Like,
ugly.
I can't flip the
Look,
camera.
if we're
I need you to
hungry-
stop saying that.
Look. If we're hungry, we can go here.
Oh yeah.
Ice cream. Oh my god.
You're annoying as hell. They can't even take that. I only think that they take cash. I don't have any.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh yeah, that smells so delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna have to take off my shoes. Oh.
Can I?
Sure. Remember when we came and there was this like big ass like flies?
Oh my god, that thing, I didn't even know those existed.
Actually,
So I decided to bring the girls to like this like private beach by like my house. Just because there was literally nothing to do and I felt like it was kind of warm, like a little beach day. What are you doing, baby? Let me see them shades. Let me see them shades. Put them on, mama. Ooh.
me popping.
You popping, girl? Oh, grr. Come here. Let me just put your pants up a little bit. Come. I just want to put like your pants up a little bit, so. You got wet. Your pants got wet a little. Hold it. There we go. Oh, grr. You so beautiful, mama. Let me see. Let me take a picture. Look at me. No, 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 no.
No sand. How can I help?
Really? Sit right here so I can take a picture by the water.
I almost fell.
Mija, pero siéntate.
Oh yeah.
Siéntate. Model for me. Ooh, girl, you is popping. Give me a kiss, like this. Look at my sister. She's like in.
Wait.
Is it warm?
No!
So then why are you in there?
But I'm used to it now. Come on, look. Oh, the shells hurt my feet so bad.
How about you take the sweater off your ass? Because it's going to get wet. Come bring it to me.
Ow. Oh.
Almost fell.
You almost fell?
Oh, I'm gonna put my cloud goggles on.
Goggles? You mean your
Yes, that's what they're
shades?
called. No, that's what they're called. Cloud goggles.
Let me see.
Probably for you, but they're just sunglasses to me.
Oh, girl, you popping too. Look at you.
I fell.
Oh, God. Fuck, this shit is gonna fall.
Gang, got the hammer.
Seriously? I'm just trying to freaking vlog.
To all the Gianella tours out there, look at this. I don't know if you could, let me get closer. Oh, hello. Ah! Look, do you see this? I don't know if you can see this, but she fell.
Oh, mommy?
Look.
I just had to let you know.
Stop! You're annoying. Gianella! Stop! I understand you're having fun, mommy, but you're making a mess of yourself.
Oh, that was
I
fun.
am.
You're literally annoying.
You have to send this to me.
Here.
I was born like that.
Maya, look at me.
Move that, please.
What?
Naya, stay like that. Don't move. Then cover the hole because it looks like just a hole. Okay.
Smile.
What?
She has sand on my hand.
Look, I can swim.
I'm sending this to me, okay?
Come here, wait.
I'm eating sand. I'm on a diet.
My beach
High
all-
tide or low tide, I'll stay by your side. Oh, that one's cute.
Patio.
Don't grow up too quickly, lest you forget how much you love the beach.
Way over there. Let me see if I could like zoom in. That's New York right there. So as you guys know, I live in Jersey, but literally if you just go over there, ooh, if you go over there, you'll you're in New York.
Warmer. You're warm.
Can you guys look at me? Tonight, can you give me a nice smile? Smile.
You have to tell me hot or cold.
Yes, I'll do it.
Okay.
Good. Turn around. Yeah, right there, right there.
Hey guys, today we're doing ASMR. Okay, just listen.
Okay. Okay, Melanie.
Seriously?
Okay.
Shut up! Oh, Jack, Tonyo!
What?
Don't yell at her like that.
I'm done.
The tree!
Turn around.
Let me bring you guys a little closer.
Turn around.
Seriously?
Turn around.
At this point, that's all you hear is yelling.
Hi.
Look for it.
Where'd they go? Looking pretty today.
What?
You're looking pretty today.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I found it.
This little kid just tried to run game on me. I feel flattered. I think he was so cute. I love this beach, number one, because it's so private. Like, there's nobody here ever. Look, like, it's just me and the girls. Like, there's nobody here. It's so private. It's so quiet. They don't bother you. The water is like, there's barely any waves. But this house right here, like all of these houses, but this house mainly is like my favorite house. Like, I love coming here and sitting by it and just looking at it and just seeing like how big it is and how beautiful it is. So like, it just gives me like inspiration. So for one day, like, I want to buy a house on the beach, probably not in Jersey because it gets cold as fuck by the water in Jersey, maybe Miami or something like that. I can't even get a word in with these two. Like I cannot get a word in.
We're going to do a video. I want to show my legs.
What was that? What was that? I don't know what she did. Can you come here so I can take a picture?
I saw like that.
Gianella, smile. Fix your hair. The bangs are in your face, Gianella. Oh! Yo, I cannot. Come on. Look, she fixed her face. Come on. Hurry up. Oh my God, you put sand on my shoulder, you fucking bitch. Come on. Clean it. Clean the sand off my shoulders.
I'm so sorry. I'm not. Okay, let me hack your Snapchat.
Why? What are you gonna say?
I'm gonna show them the journey.
What journey?
I don't know.
Oh my God, I'm scared. Where are you going? Where's she going with my phone, first of all? Can you come back? Can you come back?
Today we're gonna do the
I don't know. Can you? You're gonna want to start with the circle. Make sure you're
That's
using
not a circle. She drew a little hoop like this that looked
An
like
oval.
a horseshoe, first of
a
all.
horseshoe. Yes.
Shut up.
And then the other side. And now that it looks like someone is like, ah, okay.
What?
Hey guys, now I'm the art teacher. But really, I'm not the art teacher, I'm the science teacher.
Can you guys see her rolling? Like, hold on.
Hey, no, math time, come on, math time. Miss Melanie, I'm gonna send you to the principal's office. Go to the principal's office. Hey, yo.
Oh, really?
Okay, now we're gonna learn math.
I thought you were the art teacher.
No. You're just gonna learn.
Oh my God, there's sand in my She's so dirty. Like, they're both so dirty. I just washed my car.
Can't work anymore.
So my sister's letting me hatch her hatch.
I guess it's gonna be an egg now.
Oh, hello. So it's G. I'm hacking my sister's Snappy Chat. So if you don't know, I'm her older sister. And I just want to let you guys know that you guys should follow me on Instagram. Queen Miracle. Hit that little follow button, like a little picture.
Okay, no.
I'm all fancy. No. If you don't know, I'm her older sister. Right there. Yes, but it's right there. It's her white ass.
I found it.
What is that, Mama?
Yeah.
It's a little fish.
Can I keep it?
What?
Can I keep it?
You tired? Come give me beso. Oh, ew, it tastes like your boogers. Give me another kiss. Give me a kiss. My
dropped my
vlogging camera
glasses.
literally died. It passed out. So now I'm
Because my
using
beautifulness was just so much.
I'm using this one right here. Yeah, you can see us. All right, we gotta go. Come on.
No, we don't.
What?
Whoa! I want a stick.
Oh my God, did you hear them? I want a stick. Mine's open at the bottom.
Mine is open too. What are you putting on it?
Mild sauce. Wanna try?
Is it spicy?
Not really.
Not really, no.
Just try it. It's fine.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.